The BMW-Veritas SP90 Spohn is one of the most unusual and historically significant post-war German sports cars. Its story begins in the late 1930s, when German manufacturers like Mercedes-Benz, Auto Union, and BMW dominated international racing. BMW's 328 was especially successful in the 2-liter category, winning the 1940 Mille Miglia. After the war, however, Germany's racing scene was left in ruins, with circuits damaged and material shortages preventing immediate rebuilding. Three men with BMW connections, Ernst Loof, Georg Meyer, and Lorenz Dietrich, founded Veritas in 1947. Using BMW 326 and 328 engines supplied by customers, they created competition cars that quickly dominated the 2-liter class. Their first buyer, Karl Kling, won immediately and secured the 1947 championship. Demand soon expanded to road-going versions, and in 1949, Veritas offered production models with tubular chassis and bodies by Spohn Karosseriebau of Ravensburg. Spohn, known before the war for building Maybach bodies, developed a reputation in the 1950s for flamboyant designs inspired by Harley Earl's American Dream cars. While most Veritas cars were relatively restrained, chassis number 5089, the SP90 Cabriolet, later modified by Spohn, became an extraordinary exception. It received extravagant fins, faired-in headlamps, and jet-age styling cues reminiscent of General Motors' Le Sabre concept. Originally painted turquoise, it wore Cadillac-style sombrero hubcaps, wide white-wall tires, and chrome wheel spats. The car was exported to the United States in the early 1950s by an American serviceman. In 1965, R.J. Moravka bought it, but unable to master the complex BMW Hemi-head inline-six, sold it to collector Lee Hartung. Hartung preserved the car in untouched condition for over 4 decades, storing it in his massive private museum. When his collection was dispersed in 2011, the Veritas emerged as a remarkable barn find, wearing cream paint with traces of its turquoise past. Rather than undergoing a full restoration, the SP90 was carefully recommissioned mechanically while preserving its patina. It debuted at the 2013 Amelia Island Concours d'Elegance in the special What Were They Thinking class, celebrating unusual designs. Today, the BMW Veritas SP90 Spohn survives as a rare fusion of German engineering and American-inspired styling, representing both the revival of German motorsport and the exuberance of early 1950s automotive design.